This is the new range of Hitachi's 2 kilo hammer drills. We have the DH24, the DH26 and the DH28, which is a UVP hammer drill. The DH24 has a 730 watt motor, the 26 has an 830 watt motor and the 28 has an 850 watt motor. They share the hammer mechanisms with our larger rotary hammers and rotary breakers. They're twice as durable as the previous models and they are the best in class with the fastest drilling speeds. This is the DH26PX 2 kilo hammer drill with an 830 watt motor, 3-mode version, rotary drilling, hammer drill and light chiselling. Fully adjustable side handle, which is double moulded for ease of use. Comes with a depth gauge as standard. Trigger lock. The capacities on this are 26mm into concrete, 32mm into wood, 13 into steel, and between 25 and 50mm for coring.